Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class. In today's class, we will discuss about the evolution of Java language, the compilation process, and the features and characteristics of Java language. First, we learn the evolution of Java language. Java was developed in the year 1991 by James Gosling. Java was developed in the year 1991 by James Gosling. The original name of the language was Awk. The first name of the language was Awk. It was renamed to Java in the year 1995. So in the year 1995, the language Awk was renamed to Java. Since then, many updated versions of the language were released in the recent years. Java was developed for providing a common platform for devising intelligent consumer devices like washing machines, ATMs, microwave ovens, etc. Java is a popular language for developing Internet and intranet applications. Intranet means local network. Java plays an important role in the proper functioning of many software-based devices attached to the network. Java is both a programming language and a platform for writing and creating various types of computer applications. Next, we study about the compilation process of Java. As you know, compilation is the process of converting the user given program or the source program to machine code. Compilation is the process of converting the user written program to machine code. Java compilation is different from ordinary compilation. In ordinary compilation, the high-level language program written by the user is either compiled or interpreted to machine code for a particular system. We know compiler and interpreter are the softwares that translate a user-written program to machine code. So in the compilation process of other languages, that is, in ordinary compilation, the high-level language program written by the user is either compiled or interpreted to binary code or machine code for a particular system. Here we see a diagrammatic representation of the compilation process of other computer languages. Here, the high-level language program or source code is either compiled or interpreted to machine code or object code for a particular system. But the compilation process of Java is different from other languages. In Java compilation, first, the Java program is compiled to an intermediate level language which is independent of the platform and that can run on any machine. This intermediate level language is known as bytecode. The bytecode is then interpreted by Java Virtual Machine or JVM to machine code for a particular system. So in compilation process of Java, the Java programs are both compiled and interpreted. First, the Java program is compiled to an intermediate level language which is independent of the platform and can run on any computer. And this intermediate level language is known as bytecode. The bytecode is then interpreted by Java Virtual Machine or JVM to a machine code for a particular computer. We see a diagrammatic representation of the compilation process of Java language. You can see here the Java program is first compiled to bytecode. The bytecode is independent of the platform, that means it can run on any computer, and then the bytecode is interpreted by Java Virtual Machine to machine code for a particular system. So in the compilation process of Java, both compilation and interpretation take place. In Java compilation, both compilation and interpretation take place. Once again, we see what is bytecode. We have seen during Java compilation, the Java program is first compiled into an intermediate level language called bytecode. The bytecode is independent of the platform and can run on any machine. In Java compilation, the Java program is first compiled into an intermediate level language, and that is what is called bytecode. And what are the features of bytecode? The bytecode is independent of the platform and can run on any computer. And then we see Java Virtual Machine or JVM. JVM is the interpreter that translates the bytecode into machine code for a particular system. We are seeing Java Virtual Machine or JVM is the interpreter that translates bytecode into machine code for a particular system. So we discuss various properties or features of Java language. The various features of Java language are: first, write once, run anywhere. That means once the Java program is written for a particular system, it can run on any computer without making any modification. And the second feature, object-oriented language. We have already seen what is an object, what do you mean by object-oriented programming. In object-oriented programming, the program is developed around its data. So, the language Java is an object-oriented language. And the third property is that Java has built-in graphics and it supports multimedia. And the fourth one, Java, as we have seen, is a platform-independent language. That means a Java program can run on any machine, whether it is Apple computer or Macintosh computer or Windows computer, regardless of the platform, without any modification. So that is why we say Java is a platform-independent language. Platform means the system upon which the program is run. Next one, Java has many security features to make its program secure and safe. The last one, lightweight code. That means no huge coding or program is required to make the software. With less number of codes or statements, the programmer can develop the software. So these are the various features of Java language. Next, we discuss about BlueJ. BlueJ means Blue Java. BlueJ is an integrated development environment. Integrated development environment means it's a platform. It's a platform for writing, for debugging. Debugging means removal of errors from the program. Debugging means removal of errors from the program. Debugging, viewing, and executing Java program. BlueJ was designed and implemented by the BlueJ team at Monash University, Melbourne, Australia, and University of Southern Denmark, Odense. So we see BlueJ is an integrated development environment or platform for writing, for debugging, for seeing and executing Java programs. Here we wind up today's class. Thank you.